Hello, my name is Justin, and today I'm starting my first video for a home lab series, and this one is just going to be a step-by-step guide on installing Active Directory in Server Manager 2022 using Hyper-V. I already went ahead and made my machine. I'm going to log in. To save some time, I already renamed my host name for the domain controller, and I already set the static IP. Run IP config. So you can see I named it Seattle Domain Controller, and then I already have my static IP set up for when we install Active Directory. What I like to think of Active Directory is like your school's big list of people and computers. It remembers who you are, which like user accounts, and it remembers which classroom you belong to, like groups and organizational units. It also checks your hall pass like a password, so only the right people can get in the right rooms. For examples like folders, printers, and apps. And it also has a principle to set school rules. You can think of like a group policy that every classroom follows. And then for the Active Directory, we're just going to go to Manage, Add Roles and Features. Before you begin, click Next. You want role-based features or base install. We're going to Next. See, I already have that renamed for my server selection. And then we're going to click on Active Directory Domain Services. This is going to add the features that are required for the domain services. I'm going to add the features. And then we're going to click Next. And then already here, click Next. And you're just going to keep clicking Next, and then this will restart when this is all done. And you click Install, and now we wait for the installation. When this is done, we're also going to promote this to the domain controller as well. Looks like everything succeeded. So now we're going to promote this to the domain controller. I'm going to add new forest. I'm going to name it Seattle.contoso. You want to avoid .local. Click Next. And give it a let this finish, and give it a password. And then Next. Then DNS options, and click Next. I already set the static IP before the Active Directory, so it should configure the DNS automatically within it. And then Next. I'm just going to leave everything as is. Configure the server first. Active Directory domain controller in the new forest. The new domain name is Seattle.contoso. This is also the name of the new forest. Next. Then all the prereqs checked, pass successfully. Click Install. This might take a little bit. It's going to let this install, and then it should restart after it's all done. I'm going to let that install. Alright, that installed, so now we can restart the computer. It should automatically restart. Close. Close. Now it's restarting. Just gonna let this sit and restart. Usually takes a bit. There we go. I think this just in general normally takes a long time. There's a lot of stuff in Active Directory that's installing. Just gonna wait for this to finish. There we go. Got my Seattle/administrator. Log in. Now we can see here, Active Directory uses the computers. And we're good to go. My domain is Seattle.Cotoso. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.